Hi there, my name is Lisa Steele, and I am going to make you a card today. You guys have asked me for it. I've never made a video about how to make a card before, but yesterday I posted a card and everybody really liked it, so they'd like to see me create it. So apologize in advance if this is choppy because I've never made a video before. So here we go. I used my Cricut and I cut out two about 6-inch circles. This is a smaller card than the one I made yesterday, but I noticed that it wouldn't fit in an envelope, so I cut it down. So as you can see, this one isn't completely square, but that's okay, or completely round, but that's okay. We're not going to worry about that because we're going to make crescents out of them. So here we're starting with this, and then I drew onto this piece of paper two more circles. Again, one's crossing over the other. Don't worry about it. We'll get to that later. So I'm going to just fussy cut these out of this paper. Probably going to be helpful if I put my glasses on. Just going to fussy cut these circles out because I've already drawn the actual circle on here. I'm going to pause this while I do this. You guys don't need to see me sit here and cut out circles. Okay, so I've taken and used my pattern paper, and this was out of a pad, and it's just from Michael's, and it is glittery, and it has some glittery snow. And I made this size that matches here, and then you're going to make the other side is going to go this direction. So you need to, I used some of the same paper, and I just made that separate circle. So I don't know if you saw, I saved the middle parts just in case maybe I'll use these for something else, because I'm all about using stuff again. Okay, so now I have my crescents, and I'm going to set them aside for now because I'm going to build the base. I'm also going to use some, I'm going to use a sentiment that is part of a poem, like The Night Before Christmas. And so I've got them on here, and I'm going to print them out onto a piece of cardstock. So I will show you as I put this together. Okay, so I've glued the paper onto the background, which was the white 110 cardstock. And I did both of them. So one goes this way and one goes this way. So you want them to be able to, when you're done, they're going to stand up. Now I'm going to build the base out, and I will give you the measurements. This is going to be the stabilizing inside base. So you've got 2 inches by 1.5 inches, and then you score at 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch on the long 2-inch side. Now I'm going to put it together. Okay, now you've got your base, and I've got some tear and tape on here. So then I've taken it off. Oops, so one side's sticky, and now I'm going to adhere this like this. So trying to do this with my phone, so let's see what I can do. I'm going to need both hands. Okay, so I've got this right here, and I'm going to use my bone folder to burnish this a little bit and make sure the tear and tape gets adhered. So I took off the other side of this one, and I want them to make sure that they are the same. So what you're going to do is you're going to flatten that out like that, and then put this right on top of there, just like that. Okay, just like that. And I'm going to take my bone folder, burnish that a little bit, and now it should bend. So you can see how it's bent like this, and it's going to give you the base to stand up. Now I'm going to put another side on here in just a second for the back, so it does stand up. Okay, well, here we go. Okay, so now I've got the base, 2 pieces of base cardstock on there, and you can see it through there. So now I'm going to decorate it. Okay, so I am a trial and error kind of a person, and I didn't know what size font was going to work for this, so I did a bunch of different ones. And what I'm using is called Beautiful People Personal, and I think I got it off of freefonts.com. So I'm going to cut this out with my nesting labels dies, and then I'm going to adhere a couple on here. So we're going to take a break from making the card because Dio has taken residence. Okay, so I've put a little star on there. It's an old button. I just nipped off the back with some clippers. And I've got these peaceful deer and regal deer, which look the same to me, but no, this one's ears are different. Anyway, I'm going to flip one over. I'm going to use one on each side. And then I'm going to use the stitched nesting dies to make where I'm going to put the sentiment. Okay. Okay, as you can see, I've adhered a deer and a little reindeer nose. And I've used the nesting dies there. And the paper has its own glitter. And that's it. That was pretty easy and painless, I suppose. All right, hope you enjoyed this.